Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Getnoog car vacuum cleaner. There are features include digital display and LED light. The Tesla vacuum cleaner is fully upgraded and equipped with a digital display, allowing you to intuitively understand the battery power and working mode. At the same time, the luminous LED light solves the lighting limitations of deep cleaning in the car, bringing convenience to cleaning dead corners. Double filtration. The Tesla Model Y accessories are equipped with a double-layer HEPA filter, which can filter 99.98% of dust and effectively prevent filter clogging. The dust cup and filter are easy to disassemble and clean, and are durable. Spare filters are also provided. Efficient cleaning power. The Tesla Model 3 accessories are equipped with a high-speed brushless motor with a suction power of up to 10,000 to 15,000 PA. The strong suction power supports deeper and more thorough cleaning. And the built-in high-efficiency motor has a vacuum speed performance of 36,000 RPM, providing efficient suction for debris. The noise is less than 78 dB, giving you a more comfortable experience. 4-in-1 use. The Tesla Model S accessories is equipped with a multi-function nozzle, which can easily remove dust, debris, and pet hair from Tesla seats, floor mats and small gaps. It can be used in a variety of ways to meet comprehensive cleaning needs. It can also be used in other scenarios, such as in the car, at home, on the desk and more. Lightweight and portable and fast charging. The Tesla Model X accessories has a small body and wireless design, allowing you to move freely. Lightweight and compact, it can be operated with one hand, which is perfect for quick cleaning and easy operation. As the power decreases, the suction power will also decrease. If you find that the vacuum cleaner has insufficient suction power, try to fully charge it to enhance the suction power. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe. Recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.